How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to make veins show in your arm fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise that we are going to do, you guys, is going to be arm twists. Again, high repetitions, you guys. That's 40, keep going, 41, 42. 50, perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise we're gonna do is arm circles, great for getting veins. So you're just gonna go like this. $30, perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise we're gonna do is squeezes. So get your hands like this, squeeze really, really tight. Hold this for at least 20 seconds. You gotta be squeezing the whole entire time. Keep going, 5 more seconds, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Next exercise we're gonna do is going to be, I'm just gonna lower this a little bit, forearm curls. So just like this. So that's 30 reps, keep going. It's 40, keep going. 50, perfect, quick little break. Perfect, we are now gonna do twists again. Perfect. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.